In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track conversions in Google Analytics 4. Understanding how to track conversions is crucial for measuring the success of your digital marketing efforts, so let's dive in and take a closer look at the process. First, you'll want to head over to your Google Analytics 4 dashboard. Once you're logged in, focus your attention on the left-hand side of the screen where you'll see various options listed. Click on Reports. This is your gateway to all the data insights Google Analytics can provide. After selecting Reports, you should see a new set of categories unfold. Here, look for Real Time. As its name suggests, this tab offers you live insights into what's happening on your site at any given moment, which can be incredibly valuable for tracking events as they occur. Now, within the Real Time section, direct your attention to Overview. Clicking on Overview brings you to a page filled with different metrics and graphs displaying live activity on your website. At first, this may seem overwhelming, but don't worry. It's all about getting familiar with where things are located and how to interpret the data provided to you. When you scroll down to the bottom right of the Overview section, you'll notice a section called Event Count by Event Name. This is a key area you want to focus on. Within this section, you can observe the various events that your visitors are triggering on your website in real time. Here's where you need to look for your specific event name, whether it's Form Submit for forms filled out on your site or Purchase for completed transactions. If your event is properly set up and firing as intended, it should appear in this list. Seeing your event listed here indicates that Google Analytics 4 is correctly recognizing it as a conversion event, which means you'll be able to gather meaningful insights from the data. However, if you're not seeing your event in this section, don't worry just yet. Make sure your event is correctly configured in the Google Tag Manager or directly within your site's code, depending on how you've set it up. A common issue might be the setup of event parameters, or the logic triggering the event itself. So double-check these areas if your event doesn't appear right away. And there you have it. Tracking conversions in Google Analytics 4 may initially seem complex, but viewing events in real time within the Overview section is a straightforward and efficient way to ensure everything is functioning correctly. This not only helps in immediately identifying any issues, but also in confirming successful event locks, ultimately aiding you in better measuring the impact of your online endeavors. I hope this walkthrough has provided the clarity you need to confidently track conversions and use that data to enhance your marketing strategies. Thank you for watching, and make sure to stay tuned for more insights and tips.